Looking for the latest, fastest, and powerful industrial controller? Let's meet the IRIV PiControl with the brand new CM5. What is IRIV? Introducing the IRIV PiControl. This is an industrial-grade controller designed to handle complex automation tasks with ease. Built for durability, it's perfect companion for your industrial setups. The IRIV PiControl CM5 comes packed with industry-grade hardware, including GPIO and RS485 ports, dual Internet for seamless networking, and modular support for the powerful CM5 module. It's designed to fit into any industrial environment. With the CM5 module, the IRIV PiControl gets a significant upgrade, delivering faster performance and improved speed compared to the CM4. The IRIV PiControl CM5 brings a powerful 2.0 GHz quad-core processor compared to the 1.5 GHz on the CM4. With its faster CPU, improved RAM, and PCIe Gen 3 capabilities, the CM5 let the IRIV PiControl handle everything with unmatched efficiency and speed. While in factories, the IRIV PiControl CM5 brings precision and efficiency through automation. The IRIV PiControl adapts to every industrial need. IRIV PiControl CM5 can give better performance without any worries. Take your industrial project to the next level with the IRIV PiControl CM5. Get yours now at Saichon.